Today, I'll show you how to use Jotform to quickly start creating online forms. Whether you're collecting registrations, surveys, or simple contact information, Jotform makes it pretty straightforward once you know where everything is. We'll walk through the basic flow together, so by the end, you'll be comfortable getting a new form set up and ready to share. First, open your web browser and go to jotform.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. When the page loads, you'll see Jotform's homepage, which highlights different tools and solutions. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in so you can save your work. If not, you can sign up for a free account, which is usually enough to get started and test things out. Once you're on the site and signed in, look for the option labeled Create. This is usually near the top of the page or in a prominent spot on your dashboard. Go ahead and click Create. Think of this as your main starting point anytime you want to build something new in Jotform. After you click Create, you'll see a few different options for what you can build. Jotform lets you create a traditional form, an AI agent, an e-sign document, or an app. A form is what most people use for things like contact forms, event registrations, or feedback surveys. An AI agent is more of a conversational tool that can interact with users using AI. E-sign is designed for documents that need electronic signatures and tracking, and the app option lets you bundle multiple forms or features together into a simple app-like experience that people can open on their devices. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on creating a standard form since that's the most common use case. Go ahead and click on Form. This takes you into the form creation area where Jotform gives you a few different ways to get started. Here, you'll see several choices. You can start from scratch, import a form, turn a document into a form, set something up specifically to collect signatures, or use a template. Starting from scratch gives you a completely blank form where you add every field yourself, which is great if you want total control over the layout and content. Import form lets you bring in an existing form either by using a URL, uploading a file, or sometimes copying the structure from another platform, which can save a lot of time if you're moving from another tool. Document to form is useful if you already have something like a PDF or a document with questions and you want Jotform to automatically turn that into an online form you can share. Collect signatures focuses on workflows where you primarily need people to read and sign something like a waiver or an agreement. And finally, using a template is usually the fastest way to get going. Jotform has a large library of pre-built forms for things like job applications, order forms, surveys, and more. You can pick one that's close to what you need and then customize it instead of starting from a blank page. Choose the option that best fits what you're trying to accomplish, and from there, you'll be ready to add fields, adjust the design, and prepare your form to share with others.